video today.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah.
Oh my god, shut up.
No.
I started my intro first, so I need to do it first.
Fine.
Wait. Okay. So
Hi.
Today, so I thought they prepare. Today we're just going to be doing our normal training and talking nonsense.
Okay, now my intro. Hi everyone. I don't really know what I was meant to say. I was just trying to talk over Dia. Yeah, we'll be doing training basically. And I've got 12 outfits because I'm indecisive. Alrighty, so where should we start? Oh, I like that yellow.
Start
12 outfits.
You know, the thingy.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna actually start.
Oh, hi Simba.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna. Okay, I'm gonna actually start.
You're gonna knock over the computer.
Okay, I'm actually gonna start doing less. I am busy dancing.
Yeah, let's go to the disco. Hold on, I'm not finished making outfits. You're rushing me, dear.
Oh, I'm gonna go make.
Okay, I wanna dance with you. Never mind.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm too busy online shopping.
You said you would want to come to the disco. Hazelwood has the same colors.
Oh my God! Think about you all the time. Oh, I forgot you can't sing in videos.
You can. You can sing for 5 seconds.
Okay, I'm just gonna be singing in 5-second periods.
No, why do you say that?
You'll probably be.
I just clapped and a whole bunch of cat hair just went kapow.
Oh wow, that's nice.
I know, isn't it? It's great. Oh, I like that outfit as well. Okay, I'm liking that one.
I'm at the disco.
Gia, there you are.
By the way, this video is going to be
Hello.
quite chaotic because
Hello.
I mean,
It's
Yeah.
us.
yeah, we're in it.
Hello.
Let's go train.
Hello.
I don't know.
No, come to the disco.
Okay, I'm coming. I don't know. I think I kind of hate this outfit. I just bought it, but I think I like it. Oh, get off! Get off! My horse won't
What
let
are
me.
you trying to do?
Ask
You're
my.
inside my dancing horse. You're taking away my horse's vibe.
I'm really sorry. How can? Oh, wait. We should start dancing in sync. Ready?
No, I'm twerking.
Okay.
What?
Wait.
101. No,
Shush!
I don't want to. I'm twerking.
Okay, now.
Shut up!
Where
Alright,
are you guys? I want to dance next to
I'm
you.
here.
Oh, there you are.
let's dance in a line. Ready?
Red.
We're all wearing blue outfits.
Well, you're so rude.
No, you're so rude.
No,
My
comment.
horse is better than your horse, so ha in your face. Goodbye.
No, my horse is more expensive, probably. Actually, it isn't. Damn it. Should have got my expensive one.
I'm going to do our OG training route. Oh my god,
No, we are not. I hate that training route.
Mine was
Boring. I need a
We like Steve.
3, 2, 1, go.
Steve, it's sexy.
Oh dear. Oh and dear. I'm level 7 now.
Oh,
Good job.
Okay.
We like
Oh my gosh, I'm so close to level 8. I'm so close to level 8.
I'm better than you. I'm ahead of you.
actually, no. No, Cleo.
Why do you say no? What do you
No. I'm sorry if you haven't seen H2O, I definitely recommend it.
It's an Aussie movie though, and it's really cringy. I saw the trailer the other day. It's really cringy.
That's the point. No, Cleo. It's not a movie, it's a TV series. Do your facts right.
It's still cringy. Anyway,
You're cringy.
Dude with
Why?
Don't diss the H2O. Are you alright?
Why do you guys keep asking?
No, you would not.
Why do you guys keep asking random questions?
Why not?
I'm not even on a pony.
Because you're amazing. I remember buying a pony for the pony race and being severely underwhelmed.
I know.
You're like, oh my god, I'm gonna buy a pony so I can finally do the coolest race. And now, like, everybody's forgotten about it.
Do that race.
Did I just break the
that race
jump?
when my friend forced me to about 3 months ago.
No, I did it once just to see if I could get a high score because I was the only person who did it
Did I just
that day.
Are you mad at me, Will?
Shush.
Okay, that's
We're
weird.
going down to Francis.
Dude, guess what just happened? I did the pony race and
What's his name? Oh no, it's Landon, that's right.
Wait, sorry, what were you saying, Faithy?
I was trying to tell Dia that the weirdest thing happened. I was doing the pony race and I wasn't even on a pony. I'm on my
Yeah.
Star Horse.
I remember I used to be so good at this race. Like, I watched all the YouTube tutorials on how to do it. There was like a whole routine that the bunnies always go. And now I'm rubbish.
I love the bunny
I'm
race.
actually pretty good. My high score, before they, you know how they reset all the scores?
Oh yeah, I forgot they did that. They did that like twice
So
to
my
stop.
high score before that was 58 seconds.
I reckon mine was like 40
I love the bunny
when
race.
I used to watch videos.
You used to watch videos. What are you making right now, Willow?
No, like when I used to watch racing videos and was very serious about it.
Oh yeah, you were. You watch like how to do every shortcut. You do them and you do them until you learn them.
Yeah, like I remember I spent like an hour one day just like beating this record. Then somebody beat it
Why
the
did
next
I
day.
just pass the nearest thing to get up the stairs?
Oh, this is actually pretty good because I'm writing back now. My time is PB
105 seconds.
Haha, mine was 103.
That's rude.
What?
Do you remember Marley's potato race? That was a vibe.
I still have Marley's potato race.
No, like the OG, the potato festival.
Oh my god, the potato festival.
That was ages ago.
Okay,
Oh, it's broken. What even was that trend?
I think you had to say it without laughing.
Yeah, but why? I saw you just fail them, by the way.
Yeah, and everyone saw your bird fly into the void.
I can't keep up with all these quests.
Alrighty, Cheerios.
Cheerios.
Put the cherry.
Why do you always say random things below?
Why not? Like, do you remember Cheerios? They tasted like nothing, but everybody. Although there's honey ones now, and they're good. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Did you start without me?
No, I know. Oh wait, that's so fun. 35.
I can't believe how close I am to getting up to level 8.
I just killed Willow with 2 words. Ready, Willow? 35.
People are going to be concerned about you.
Hey, I got red gold in 19 seconds.
I can't keep up.
I got bronze because you made me laugh.
We're gonna do the race of the cats.
Hi everyone, voiceover Willow here. I'm just realising this video was so chaotic and it was like over an hour long, so I wasn't able to include all of it because otherwise, yeah, this video would have been like 2 hours long and that would have been too exciting. Sorry, but again, sorry if this video wasn't great or it was very chaotic. It was very hard to edit. But thank you anyway so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy this video. Bye everyone!